So, have you ever wondered how people make money on Pinterest? If that is you, then you are in the right place. So, I'll be teaching you how to turn Pinterest into a money making machine in 2026. The funny thing is, I see many beginners rushing to make money from mainstream platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Not only are these platforms heavily moderated, but it's extremely competitive on these platforms as well. And the reason is because the way these platforms design their algorithm, you need to get extremely creative to get a viral video from these platforms. And aside from that, your video stays viral for maybe a month or two, and then the video dies down. And this sucks, especially if you are a beginner looking to make money online without having so much creativity or without having to put in so much effort upfront. And that is why Pinterest remains a solid alternative. And Pinterest is not just a visual search engine, it also ranks very high on Google search results, which means once you get your pins to rank on Google, you can continue to get traffic for months and years down the line. So now, if you go over to YouTube and do a simple search like how to make money on Pinterest, you'll see a lot of videos on this topic. While many of these creators have shared their perspective on what worked for them, your main focus as a beginner should be, is this method easy to start? Is it a realistic method? And is the method scalable? These are the three most important factors you need to consider if you're a beginner looking to make money on Pinterest. And that is why in this video, I'll teach you 5 ways to make money on Pinterest. And I'll also share with you my favorite method on the list. The first one is digital products. This is by far one of the best ways to make money on Pinterest. And the reason is because it's a digital product. People can easily download the product to their device right away, which means you don't have to worry about shipping or manufacturing anything. All you simply need to have is the knowledge in that topic. And once you have a knowledge on that topic, you can easily create an ebook, a template, a course, or whatever you want to create, and you can sell it to people in form of a download. People just need to pay some money and they can download that content to their device right away. And there are so many platforms you can use for this, such as Selly.io. As you can see, this is a platform where you can easily sell digital products to people online. You can also use platforms like Gumroad.com to sell various digital products as well. Here is a Pinterest account doing the exact strategy. As you can see, this is a Pinterest account about self-help. As you can see, this Pinterest account under 1,000 followers gets 1.6 million views every single month. Can assure you they get a lot of traffic to their product right here, which is hosted on Gumroad. The second on the list is providing services on Pinterest. If you are skilled in certain areas or profession like logo design, video editing, or you are a writer, you can basically go over to Pinterest and promote your skill. There are so many people already doing this on Pinterest and they are making thousands of dollars every single month promoting their services on Pinterest. Here is an example of someone promoting their skill. Get your custom logo design now. So if I click on the profile of this account, as you can see, this account is under 500 followers and they get over 5 million monthly views on their profile. As you can see, they offer custom logo design. As you can see here, they have their WhatsApp on their profile. And I can assure you they must have received a lot of custom orders from Pinterest. And this is because you can find a lot of high quality clients on Pinterest. All you simply need to do is to make a pin about your services and upload them to Pinterest. And I can assure you, you are going to find a lot of interested customers on Pinterest. The third method on the list is selling physical products. Pinterest, being a visual based platform, makes it one of the best places to share images and videos of your products. And if your product is great and of high quality, you will definitely get customers from Pinterest. Just like I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of high quality customers on Pinterest. All you simply need to do is to do proper SEO for your pins, and this is by writing SEO friendly descriptions and title, so that once people type in keyword related to your product, you're going to get a very high chance of showing up on Google search results. And so there are various ways you can go about this. You can list the product on platforms like Etsy.com. This is a popular website where people sell physical products. However, if you don't want to host your product on Etsy.com, you can create your own website where you sell product on your own platform, and you can then ship out the product to customers. The fourth method is Pinterest account management. This is for those who have mastered the Pinterest platform. If you know how to do proper SEO, get pins to rank very well, you can definitely sell your knowledge and you can make money from it. How do you do this? All you need to do is to simply help other businesses or other individuals who are looking to grow their Pinterest account. You can basically help these people to run and manage their Pinterest account with your knowledge. Most of the time, all you just simply need to do for them is help them design their pins, help them structure their title and description, do keyword research for them. This is basically how simple it is. You can help people grow their Pinterest account. And there are so many people doing this on Fiverr already. If you go over to Fiverr and type in Pinterest, you're going to see a lot of people are offering to help you manage and run your Pinterest account. As you can see right here, this is someone here selling this service on Fiverr. They are going to help you do SEO optimized pin, and you can see they have 8 orders in queue with over 640 reviews already. And as you can see, their basic plan starts from $40 up to $90, as you can see right here. Okay, this is also another account also doing the same thing, helping people create optimized pins for their Pinterest accounts and becoming their Pinterest marketing manager. So you can see this person has more orders in queue, over 10 orders and over 500 reviews, starting from $28 up to $85. And the final method is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is by far the best method on this list and my favorite as well. And this is because, unlike the other method I listed earlier, which requires some form of experience, knowledge, and expertise, affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is suitable for everyone. And this makes it the easiest in this list. All you simply need to do is to partner with affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digital24, Amazon Associates. And once you sign up to this platform, you will get access to a unique URL, which is known as affiliate link. Then once you grab an affiliate link to any product, all you need to do is to promote this link on your Pinterest account. And once you promote this link and people start clicking on your pins, which then takes them to your affiliate link, and they make a purchase from that link, you will receive a cut of that sale, which is also known as commission. And this can range anywhere from 5% up to 80% of the sale. So you can see right here, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways because you don't have to create any product. You don't have to deal with shipping and handling of anything. You don't even have to deal with customer support. All you just need to do is to grab a link and make a sale. So for instance, if I come over to Google and I type in keto recipes for beginners, and if you come over to the image sections to get idea, as you can see right here, this Pinterest pin is ranking in the second position of this Google search result. And it's not just the only one on this page. You can see here's another Pinterest pin ranking on Google as well. You can see another one right here. So if I keep scrolling down, there are so many pins ranking on Google. And if I click on this pin, as you can see right here, this pin was made a year ago, as you can see from the comment right here. And once people click on the link, it's going to bring them to this page. And as you can see, This post was published in 2019 and it's still getting a lot of traffic. And as you can see here, they clearly stated this post contains affiliate links. And once people come over to this page and they click on any of the products on this page, it's going to take them to an affiliate product. This page right here has been earning affiliate commission since it was posted in 2019. And this is why I say Pinterest is one of the best traffic sources, as you can keep getting traffic. Unlike other platforms that your traffic dies out after some time. And for those who are looking for a step-by-step Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial, I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now.